Good morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise 7.3. Fill in the blanks. Use @bar cipher that is given in code 3. Okay, we are going to do this one. The first question is GZNRO. So, for that, various alphabets are also there. How to do that, we will see now. So, for this, the information is given in page number 259 for doing this question. Let me show you now. This is the table which you have to follow here. It is the code 3 of @bar cipher. So in this, what is given here is find the code using the key as shown in the given figure. @bar cipher is a substitution cipher with just one specific key where all the letters are reversed, that is A to Z and Z to A. Okay, the normal plain text, it is given A to Z. Cipher text is for the letter A, you have to substitute Z. For letter B, you have to substitute Y. That's it. So that cipher text is nothing but reverse of A to Z. Okay. Even in the below you can see the GSV. GSV, if you see, means we'll get the letters like THE, the, and ILLN. You have to find it from the table. So like this only, we are going to, by using this code, we are going to do the first Roman letter. So this is the part which you are going to do. The fill in the blanks, the first Roman letter using this @bar cipher which is given in the code 3. Make usage of that code 3 and complete this Roman letter. It is clear? Okay. Now we are going to see the second Roman letter. This is also like match the following. They have given the information that it starts from A equal to 0, 0 until Z is equal to 25. Okay. For mathematics. So you are going to find which are the numbers we are going to represent here. For this also we have the information in the previous pages. In page number 256 we have the tabular column which will be used for doing the second Roman letter. Okay, here the plain text ABCD given, the numbers is 0, 0 they have given. So by using this we are going to complete the match the following. For example, it is mathematics is there. Then we have to go with the number M. For M, it is 12. A, 0, 0. T. For T, once again, we get 19. H. For H, 0, 7. So, like that, we will be getting the numbers. By the help of that, we can write the tabular column. Okay. So, using this tabular column, you can complete the second Roman letter which is given in the exercise part. Is it clear, ma? So this is the code and this is the tabular column which will help us to find out. Now what is given over here is to start converting a plain text into the cipher number. First we have to make a cipher table as shown below. Here their key is 5. As per key number, we have to start and fill A is equal to 05 and B is equal to 06 and then Z is equal to 04 respectively. So they have given the plain text, numbers also they have given, the cipher numbers also they have given. In match the following, the answer what they have given in the right hand side. According to that, we have to frame what numbers has to be filled it off. Okay. So this is like a coding and you complete the process for the second Roman letter in exercise part. Okay. Complete these two Roman letters for exercise 7.3. Thank you.